Dark chocolate chips sell for $2.50 per pound. Milk chocolate chips sell for $1.50 per pound. James doesn't really like the bitterness of dark chocolate by itself, so he wants to mix dark chocolate and milk chocolate chips in it for his cookie recipes. He wants to make the 50-pound mixture that costs $1.90 per pound. How many pounds of each should he buy to accomplish this? So first we're going to make x and y equal how many pounds of chocolate for each kind. So we're going to make dark chocolate equal x, and milk chocolate equal y. And we know that the pound mixture adds up to 50. So it's going to be x plus y equals 50. So we know that dark chocolate costs $2.50 per pound. So we would make it 2.5x, or 2.50x if you want to get into scientific notation. And 1.5y equals, and what is that? So if it's a 50-pound mixture, it goes to 90. It would be 95. And that would be price. So we can solve for x first by isolating y. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this equation, x plus y equals 50, and we're going to subtract x from both sides. So now we're going to get y equals 50 minus x. So now we have y on its own, and now we can do the next part. So now we can plug in this equation, but without the y. So we could have 2.5x plus 1.5, except instead of putting y, we can put in this equation, 50 minus x. And then that would equal 95. So then we're going to simplify that. So that would be 2.5x plus 1.5 times 50 is 75. And then 1.5 times negative x would be negative or minus 1.5x. And that would equal 95. And then we could just simplify it again. So since we're subtracting 1.5, we got x. And so we can do this. We can subtract 75 from both sides. And we can also subtract 1.5 from 2.5, which just leaves us with x equals 20. So now we know that x equals 20 pounds in the mixture. And by process of elimination, that means that for this equation, if we're solving for y equals 50 minus x, then we can solve for y by saying y equals 50 minus 20. And there you go. Then 50 minus 20 equals 30. So therefore, y equals 30. So therefore, the full equation is for dark chocolate equals 20 pounds of the mixture, and milk chocolate equals 30 pounds of the mixture.